Hello students, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. This is for class 4th subject mathematics. I will continue chapter number 1 factors and multiples. Lecture number 3. In this lecture I shall discuss about even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, co-prime numbers, twin prime numbers and exercise 1C. Now, even number. What is even number? A number which is exactly divisible by 2 is called an even number. जो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल हो जाए उसको हम इवन नंबर कहते हैं. और a number having digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at its ones place is called an even number. और जिस नंबर की डिजिट्स वंस प्लेस पे 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 हो उसे हम इवन नंबर कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, etc. are even numbers. Now, odd number. What is odd number? A number which is not exactly divisible by 2 is called an odd number. जो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं होता उस नंबर को हम odd number कहते हैं. और a number having digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at its ones place is called an odd number. जिस नंबर की डिजिट्स वंस प्लेस पे 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 हो उस नंबर को हम ओड नंबर कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, etc. are odd numbers. Now, prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Numbers which have only two factors 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. जिस नंबर्स के दो फैक्टर्स हों, फर्स्ट फैक्टर 1 एंड और द नंबर इटसेल्फ और वही नंबर, उसे हम प्राइम नंबर्स कहते हैं. I will explain you by an example. See, let us take a number 2. Now factors of 2 are 1 and 2. See, in prime number which have only two factors 1 and the number itself. See, 1 is the factor and 2 is the number itself, that is the factor. So 2 is a prime number. Now let us take a number 4. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Now for prime number there are only two factors 1 and the number itself 1. And the number is 4, so the 4 is the factor, but here 2 is also the factor, so 4 is not a prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, etc. are prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, etc. are prime numbers. Okay. Now, composite numbers. What are composite numbers? Numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. वो numbers जिसके more than two factors हों उन्हें हम composite numbers कहते हैं. I will explain you by an example. See, let us take a number 2. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2. But for composite number there should be more than two factors. So 2 is not a composite number. Let us take a number 4. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. There are 3 factors of 4. So 4 is a composite number. Now let us take a number 1. Factor of 1 is 1. So 1 is not a composite number. So 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, etc. are composite numbers. Now, co-prime numbers. What are co-prime numbers? Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. दो नंबर्स co-prime कब होंगे? When they do not have a common factor other than 1. जब उनका common factor 1 के अलावा नहीं होगा, इनका सिर्फ common factor क्या होना चाहिए? 1 होना चाहिए. Then these numbers are co-prime numbers. I will explain you by an example. See, example number 1. Let us take any two numbers, say 2 and 3. Now factors of 2 are 1, 2. Factors of 3 are 1, 3. See, here 1 is a common factor. Common factor of 2 and 3 are 1. So 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers. Now second example. Let us take any two numbers, say 4 and 6. Factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. See, common factors 1 and 2. So common factors of 4 and 6 are 1 and 2. So 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers, because there here common factors are 1 and 2, but for co-prime numbers there should be only common factor 1. So 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers. So 2 and 3, 3 and 4, etc. are co-prime numbers. Now, what are twin prime numbers? Two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime numbers. कोई भी दो प्राइम नंबर्स जिनका डिफरेंस 2 आए वो नंबर्स हमारे ट्विन प्राइम नंबर्स होते हैं, बट दोज नंबर्स शुड बी प्राइम नंबर्स एंड देयर डिफरेंस इज 2. सो दोज नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड ट्विन प्राइम नंबर्स. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू बाय एन एग्जाम्पल. सी, example number 1. Let us take any two prime numbers, say 3 and 5, and their difference, see, 5 minus 3 equal 2, and their difference is 2. So 3 and 5 are twin prime numbers. Now second example. Let us take any two prime numbers, say 5 and 11. 11 minus 5 equal 6. Their difference is 6. So 5 and 11 are not twin prime numbers. So 3 and 5, 5 and 7, etc. are twin prime numbers. Now some points to remember. First point, any two odd numbers which differ from one another by 2 are called consecutive odd numbers. देखो बेटा, एनी टू ओड नंबर्स, कोई भी दो ओड नंबर्स बट जिनका डिफरेंस 2 होना चाहिए, दोज नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ओड नंबर्स. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू बाय एन एग्जाम्पल. सी, लेट अस टेक एनी टू ओड नंबर्स, से 1 and 3, and 3 minus 1 equal 2. Their difference is 2. So 1 and 3 are consecutive odd numbers. Now second example. Let us take any two odd numbers, say 3 and 7, and 7 minus 3 equal 4. Their difference is 4. So 3 and 7 are not consecutive odd numbers. Now second point, any two even numbers which differ from one another by 2 are called consecutive even numbers. Similarly, हमें दो इवन नंबर्स लेने हैं एंड देयर डिफरेंस इज 2 और उनका डिफरेंस हमारा 2 होना चाहिए, देन दोज नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड consecutive even numbers, and those numbers should be even and their difference should be 2. I will explain you by an example. See, example number 1. Let us take any two even numbers, say 2 and 4, and 4 minus 2 equal 2. Their difference is 2. So 2 and 4 are consecutive even numbers. Now second example, let us take any two even numbers, say 4 and 8. 8 minus 4 equal 4. Their difference is 4. So 4 and 8 are not consecutive even numbers. Now third point, 1 is neither prime nor composite numbers. Fourth point, 2 is the lowest and the only even prime number. देखो बेटा, इवन नंबर हमारे 2 से स्टार्ट होते हैं, 2, 4, 6, एंड प्राइम नंबर हमारा 2 है. सो 2 इज द लोएस्ट एंड द ओनली इवन प्राइम नंबर. नाउ solve the following questions. Exercise 1C from Together with Essence book term 2. Question number 1. Write down the prime factors of the following numbers. A part 44. We have to calculate the prime factors of 44. First we will calculate the factors of 44 and then we will calculate prime factors. Answer C. Factors of 44 are 1, 2, 4, 11, 22, 44. देखो बेटा, हम फैक्टर्स मीन्स वो हमारे नंबर होंगे डिविजिबल होंगे. सो 44 से वो डिविजिबल होने चाहिए. देखो 1, 44 इज डिविजिबल बाय 1, सो 1 इज ए फैक्टर. नेक्स्ट नंबर सी 2, 44 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2, सो 2 इज ए फैक्टर. नेक्स्ट नंबर 4, we will divide this 4 by this 44 by 4. So 44 is divisible by 4. So 4 is a factor. Now next number 11. Divide 44 by 11. So quotient will be 4 and remainder will be 0. So this 44 is divisible by 11. So 11 is a factor. Now next number 22. Now divide 44 by 22. Thus 44 is divisible by 22, so 22 is a factor. Now this 44 is divisible by 44, so 44 is a factor. Now we have to calculate prime factors. Means we will write the here prime numbers. Prime numbers are this 2 and 11. So prime factors of 44 are 2 and 11. Now C part 215. Answer C. First we will calculate factors of 215. Factors of 215 are 1, 5, 43, 215. Now see, we will divide the following these numbers by this 215. See, we will divide 215 by 1. So 215 is divisible by 1. So 1 is a factor. Now next number we have taken 5. So divide 215 by 5, remainder should be 0, so that it is divisible. 215 is divisible by 5, so 5 is a factor. Now next number 43. Divide 215 by 43, remainder will be 0. Thus 215 is divisible by 43, so 43 is a factor. Now next number, that same number, the number itself 215. 215 is divisible by 215. Now prime factors of 215 are 5 and 43. Now E part 524. Answer, write factors of 524. Factors of 524 are 1, 2, 4, 131, 262 and 524. See, 1, 524 is divisible by 1, so 1 is a factor. Now take next number 2. Divide 524 by 2. Remainder is 0. Thus 524 is divisible by 2. Now next number 4. divide 524 by 4, so that remainder should be 0 for factor. So thus 524 is divisible by 4, so 4 is a factor. Now next number 131. Divide 524 by 131. Remainder will be 0. Thus 524 is divisible by 131. So 131 is a factor. Now next number 262. Divide 524 by 262. So remainder will be 0. Thus 524 is divisible by 262. So 262 is a factor of 524. Now next number 524, the number itself. 524 is divisible by its same number, that is 524. Now prime factors of 524 are 2 and 131. Now G part, 266. Answer. Factors of 266 are 1, 2, 7, 14, 19, 38, 133 and 266. See 266 is divisible by 1. So 1 is a factor. Next number 2. 266 is divisible by 2. So 2 is a factor. Now next number 7. Divide 266 by 7. So that remainder is 0. Thus 266 is divisible by 7. So 7 is a factor. Now take next number 14. Divide 266 by 14. So that remainder is 0. It is divisible. 266 is divisible by 14. So 14 is a factor. Now take next number 19. Divide 266 by 19. Thus 266 is divisible by 19. So 19 is a factor. Now take next number 38. Divide 266 by 38. That remainder will be 0. Thus 266 is divisible by 38. So 38 is a factor. Now take next number 133. Divide 266 by 133. Thus 266 is divisible by 133. Now next number 266, the number itself. We know that 266 is divisible by 266. So these are the factors. Now prime factors of 266 are 2, 7 and 19. Now H part, 300. Answer. Now factors of 300 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 25, 30, 50, 60, 75, 100, 150, 300. So we will divide this 300 by these following numbers. So that remainder is 0. So these will be the factors. Divide 1 by 1. Now prime factors of 300 are 2, 3 and 5. Now question number 2. Express as the product of 3 factors. A part 70. हमें इस 70 का जो प्रोडक्ट है हमें 3 फैक्टर्स में कैलकुलेट करना है. देखो बेटा आंसर 70 इक्वल 10 मल्टीप्लाई 7. 10 7 जा 70. नाउ दिस 10 is the product of 2 and 5. 2 5 ja 10. So we can also write 2 multiply 5 equal 10 and multiply 7. See 2 multiply 5 10 multiply 7 70. So 3 factors 2 5 and 7, and we have to express the product of 3 factors. We have calculated. So 2 multiply 5 multiply 7. Now B part 42. Answer 42 equal 6 multiply 7. 6 7 ja 42. Now 6 is the product of 2 and 3. 2 3 ja 6. So we can also write as 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. So there are 3 factors, 2, 3 and 7. And the product of the 3 factors we have expressed. So 42 equal 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. Question number 3. A part. Write all the consecutive even numbers between 51 and 71. We have to write the consecutive even numbers between 51 and 71. Answer. The consecutive even numbers between 51 and 71 are 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68 and 70. Now, C part. Write all the multiples of 13 which lie between 50 and 100. We have to write the multiples of 13 which lie between 50 and 100. Answer. The multiples of 13 which lie between 50 and 100 are 52, 65, 78 and 91. Now, E part. Write all the prime numbers between 60 and 80. We have to write the prime numbers between 60 and 80. Answer. C. The prime numbers between 60 and 80 are 61, 67, 71, 73 and 79. Now come to question number 4th. Write P for prime and C for composite numbers. A part. 12. See, 12 is not a prime number. 12 is a composite number. Answer. 12 equal C. Because 12 is a composite number, so we will write C for composite number. So 12 equal C. B part. 31 equal dash. 31 is a prime number or composite number? 31 is a prime number. Answer. 31 equal P. P for prime numbers. E part. 61. Answer. 61 is a prime number. So 61 equal P. Now F part. 83 equal dash. 83 is a prime number. 83 equal P. Now I part. 10 equal dash. 10 is a prime number or composite number? 10 is not a prime number. 10 is a composite number. So answer. 10 equal C. C for composite number. J part. 100 equal dash. Answer. 100 is not a prime number. 100 is a composite number. So 100 equal C. C for composite number. Now solve the following questions assigned as homework. Exercise 1C from Together with Essence book term 2. Question number 1. Write down the prime factors of the following numbers. B part. 90. D part. 339. F part. 98. Question number 2. Express as the product of 3 factors. C part. 75. D part. 12. Now question number 3. B part. Write the first 7 multiples of 12. D part. Write all the odd numbers between 30 and 50. Now question number 4th. Write P for prime and C for composite numbers. C part. 38. D part 46, G part 99, H part 2, K part 98, L part 73. These are the questions assigned as homework. I hope you have done homework assigned in lecture number 2 of chapter number 1. Now I will discuss solution of homework assigned in lecture number 2. Solve the following questions. Exercise 1B. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. C part dash, comma, 2, comma, dash, comma, dash, comma, dash, comma, dash are factors of 20. Here we have to write the factors of 20. That factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Answer C. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20 are factors of 20. D part dash is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. हर नंबर का 1 हमारा फैक्टर है. So write here 1. Answer 1 is a factor of every number. F part when a number is divided by its factor there is no dash left. See, जब हम नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं उसके फैक्टर से सो हमारे पास क्या लेफ्ट नहीं होता? रिमाइंडर. व्हेन देयर इज नो रिमाइंडर लेफ्ट. आंसर व्हेन ए नंबर इज डिवाइडेड बाय इट्स फैक्टर देयर इज नो रिमाइंडर लेफ्ट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th. लिस्ट आउट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ. बी पार्ट 45. वी हैव टू राइट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 45. आंसर C. 1 multiply 45 equal 45 or 45 multiply 1 equal 45. Now next 3 multiply 15 equal 45 or 15 multiply 3 equal 45. Next 5 multiply 9 equal 45 or 9 multiply 5 equal 45. Thus 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45 are the factors of 45. Now E part 72. We have to write the factors of 72. Answer C. 1 multiply 72 equal 72 or 72 multiply 1 equal 72. Next 2 multiply 36 equal 72 or 36 multiply 2 equal 72. Next 3 multiply 24 equal 72 or 24 multiply 3 equal 72. Next 4 multiply 18 equal 72 or 18 multiply 4 equal 72. Next 6 multiply 12 equal 72 or 12 multiply 6 equal 72. Next 8 multiply 9 equal 72 or 9 multiply 8 equal 72. Thus 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72 are the factors of 72. Now F part 92. We have to write the factors of 92. Answer C. 1 multiply 92 equal 92 or 92 multiply 1 equal 92. Next 2 multiply 46 equal 92 or 46 multiply 2 equal 92. Next 4 multiply 23 equal 92 or 23 multiply 4 equal 92. Thus 1, 2, 4, 23, 46 and 92 are the factors of 92. Now question number 6, B part. Circle the numbers that have 9 as a factors. We have to circle those numbers that have 9 as a factor. 18, 22, 27, 35, 36, 63. We have to circle those numbers that have 9 as a factor. See, 18 is divisible by 9. So 18 is a number that have 9 as a factor. So circle this number 18. Now next 22. 22 is not divisible by 9. So 22 is not a number that have 9 as a factor. So we will not circle this number. Now next number 27. 27 is divisible by 9. So 27 is a number that have 9 as a factor. So circle this number 27. Now next number 35. 35 is not divisible by 9. So 35 is not a number that have 9 as a factor. Next number 36. 36 is divisible by 9. So 36 is a number that have 9 as a factor. So circle this number 36. Now next number 63. 63 is divisible by 9. So 63 is a number that have 9 as a factor. So circle this number 63. So 18, 27, 36 and 63 are the numbers that have 9 as a factors. These were the solutions of lecture number 2. Now kindly subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.